Yo guys, you're welcome back to Niger News and Entertainment. I have a new gospel artist present to you guys. She goes by the name Julian Praise. Julian Praise, born as Juliana Adanike, is a Nigerian gospel musician, songwriter, and music producer. Her music is a unique blend of gospel, hip hop, and African beats. She has released a great number of tracks since she began her musical career, and her songs are majorly delivered in English language, Hausa, Igbo, and Yoruba. Julian Praise speaks the three major Nigerian languages, therefore had some tracks in these languages. Any ceremonial gathering would be seen incomplete without her songs being played. She has always had the passion and love for music from a very young age. Though she's a hardworking and busy police officer, yet she never allowed her government assignment to affect her musical interest. She was born on 3rd of October 1984 in Minna, Nigeria. Julian Praise was born over 35 years ago. She was the fourth child in her family, and the happy event took place in Niger State. She was raised in Minna City, north central of Nigeria. Guys, all about Julian Praise Academy. She went to Kuyambana Primary School in Minna and obtained her basic education. After then, she went to Maitumbi Government Secondary School, Boso Road, Minna in Niger State. She finally went to the Nigerian Police College in 2004 to join the police force. Ever since her secondary school, she loved singing in the school and among peers while people gathered and listened to her voice. She sang in the choir and loved what she was doing. In whatever she does, she always thinks and sees herself like a singer. Julian Praise religion. The gospel singer Julian Praise is a Christian, but her kind of music praises the Lord, prays for better life, and raises hope for all, no matter the religion. So regardless of race, religion, or color, her kind of music captures all listeners, and all religions love her music. Julian Praise family life. She is married and blessed with 4 girls. The last, Jessie, of which was born sometime in 2015. Julian Praise music. Julian Praise began her music career as a little girl in St. Joseph Catholic Church Choir in Minna since 1997. She sang for St. Martin's Catholic Church, Katsina, and Bible Believing Mission in Aba. Since then, she has been gracing occasions and making albums. She released her first album in 2006. After the first album, she released other albums for the entertainment of her numerous fans. Presently, she released a single titled Ororo, which means anointing. Guys, what do you think about Juliana's praise songs and music? You can also follow her on Instagram at Julian_praise. Guys, let me know what you think about this in the comment section, and if you're a first time viewer, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Niger News and Entertainment, and also hit on the bell button to get notifications when a new story drops. Thank you guys, and stay tuned to Niger News and Entertainment.